Hello students, let's exercise some pronunciation today. Let's start with the L, R, V, B pronunciation sounds. First, let's start with L sounds. Number 1, L sound. Laboratory, laboriously, labyrinth, laceration, lactation, laggard, lame brain, lamentation, landlubber, landmark, lawnmower, language, lantern, laparoscopy, laparotomy, lapidary, load, laryngitis, lasciviousness, lastingly, latency. Now let me do it twice for every word. L sound. Laboratory, laboratory, laboriously, laboriously, labyrinth, labyrinth, laceration, laceration, lactation, lactation, laggard, laggard, lame brain, lame brain, lamentation, lamentation, landlubber, landlubber, landmark, landmark, lawnmower, lawnmower, language, language, lantern, lantern, laparoscopy, laparoscopy, laparotomy, laparotomy, lapidary, lapidary, load, load, laryngitis, laryngitis, lasciviousness, lasciviousness, lastingly, lastingly, latency, latency.